reality check that I got when I got monetized, I'm like, that's all that they do for a year. Let me tell you guys, YouTube revenue isn't as straightforward as it seems. Like, there are just a lot of factors that can affect how much you are going to earn on YouTube. If you are curious about how much YouTube pays for 1,000 views on YouTube, then you are on the right video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you exactly how much YouTube pays me for 1,000 views. I am going to break it down for you step by step, and trust me, there is a lot to learn. So here's the thing, a lot of us see videos making 1 million views, 2 million views, and you're like, this person must be making banks, like this person must be cashing out a lot. I cannot wait to post my own videos too, so that I can be making this much views. And then you post your own videos and you're not making 1,000.1 of how much you thought you would be making, and you're like, what is happening? What is happening with my videos? What am I doing wrong? Okay, I'm going to tell you exactly why YouTube might not be paying as much as you thought, what is affecting your videos. I'm going to be showing you my own videos as well, and things that you can just do about it that is going to help. So without further ado, let's dive right into it. So first of all, when you say YouTube is paying me money, YouTube is paying me money, how exactly does YouTube pay you money? We all know YouTube pays because they put ads on our videos, right? So if you don't know, that's a fact. YouTube only pays you because they are able to put ads on your video. So YouTube revenue comes from ads that are placed on your videos. So you can only earn with your YouTube revenue if YouTube is able to place ads on your video and if people watch those ads. So one of the major things that a lot of people do not factor in when starting a YouTube channel is that your location actually affects how much YouTube pays you. There's something called CPM and RPM on YouTube. CPM is cost per milli and RPM is revenue per milli. So cost per milli is exactly how much advertisers are willing to pay to place ads on your videos, while revenue per milli is how much YouTube is going to pay you, exactly the amount YouTube is going to pay you at the end of the day on that video. So how much advertisers are willing to pay on your video is different from how much YouTube is actually going to pay you for that video. So here is what is going to affect your costs per milli, which is cost per 1,000 views. So a lot of advertisers do not actually pay so much for people in this part of the world. You are from Africa or just some part of Asia. They do not want to spend as much money, unlike people that are from US, from UK. They want to actually invest much more in those regions than people in this part of region, because they believe those ones, they have higher purchasing power compared to us in this part of region. So location is one of the important factors. For example, now I'm from Nigeria, living in Nigeria. If I post videos and a lot of people that are watching me are people from Nigeria, so how much advertisers will be willing to pay me on those videos would be low compared to if people that were watching me are coming from the US. Because advertisers are like, okay, these people can actually afford to pay if they see these ads, so they are willing to spend much to get those ads in front of them. So can you see how that is actually a major factor? Another factor that can actually affect you is the niche that you are in on YouTube. So I've not actually talked about this much on this channel, but then the niche that you are in actually affects how much YouTube is going to pay you. One of the niches with higher CPM on YouTube are niches in the finance and the tech, in how to make money. Because advertisers are like, okay, people that watch these ads are people that can actually afford to pay for these things. So imagine you that you are now doing beauty, you are posting skincare. They're like, people that are watching this are just regular. This is how much they can actually spend on this. So imagine somebody that can afford to buy Mercedes Benz, or somebody that can afford to buy a Tesla. Do you know how much advertisers will be willing to like get those ads in front of them compared to somebody, you that you're talking about skincare, that is not up to $10 or something? They will actually be paying you like the regular money. So your niche actually is also important on how much YouTube pays you. Okay, so now I'm going to go into my analytics and show you exactly how much YouTube paid me for 1,000 views. So now we are going to be going into my analytics, and I'm going to be checking random videos that hit 1K views and be showing you exactly how much YouTube paid me for those videos. So the first one I'm going to be checking is this top 5 affordable brightening body lotions, and as you can see, I had 1.4k views on that video, and the watch time that I got is 65.5, and I got 11 subscribers from this video. The audience retention was quite high. I got 38.1%. If you have been posting on YouTube, you know that that is a huge feat on YouTube, like to be able to get 38.1% of your audience to watch your videos. So YouTube showed this to 21.5k people, and only 4.8% were able to watch. 1,400 people that was able to actually watch out of 21.5 thousand views. That's a lot. So the click-through rate was quite good. And now when you look at the age of people that was watching this video was 18 to 24 years. The others were from 25 to 35. And a lot of my views are coming from Nigeria, Ghana, and only few from United States. So the majority of these views were coming from Nigeria and Ghana. So African region, obvious. Automatically, I know that I'm getting a very low CPM from this video. So now when we go into the revenue, you're going to get the shocker of your life. You guys, so far this video has made me $1.20. And look at the how PM right here. See, I only got 0.85 cents as RPM. The CPM on this video was $2.54. That means advertisers were willing to pay $2.54 for this video, and YouTube actually paid me 0.84 cents. So that means I did not even earn up to $1 on this video. I only earned 85 cents, like 85 cents. You guys, that means I worked like countless of hours scripting, filming, posting, editing, only to get less than $1. We are going to check another video out that I actually got 1,000 views on. This one is CeraVe cleanser dupe. I was reviewing a product as well. So this one so far I got exactly 1,000 views on this video. I got a lot of watch times. My audience retention is good, like 11.1 thousand people, and only 1,000 people watched. They were getting it via Google search. This did not have. So my top geography, Nigeria. Guess how much YouTube paid me for this video as well? 0.90 cents. Less than $1 as well. Advertisers were willing to pay 2.56 cents on this video. So I'm going to check this last one. This one is I tested Touch Bright and Clear Cream, and this happened. So this one got total views of 1.6k views. So a lot of them were watching from Nigeria. I don't know, is it my accent? So guess how much YouTube paid me for this video as well. So as you can see, advertisers were willing to pay much more for this video. Product was more popular in the US. So it's a US brand, and YouTube was willing to pay me for the first time $1.57. So I got paid 1.57 cents for 1,000 views on this video. That's a decent amount. So usually the amount I get for 1,000 views on my videos are the previous ones that I've shown you so far, like less than $1. It was that bad. But do not be discouraged, because for me, YouTube is like a long-term investment. It's just like you are investing in stocks. You know, there will be a time that the market will crash and you just be seeing red and red and red and red. And then there will be this time that everything is booming. Yeah, everything is just going. So that's exactly how I see YouTube. So YouTube is like a long-term investment for me. See, despite the fact that I'm earning cents on 1,000 views, like I still have videos that I've posted in more than a year or 2 years that are still making money on YouTube for me. And although they might be in cents, but just look at them compounding and compounding. For me, I will never stop posting on YouTube. Content that is not blowing up today might blow up in months or in years, and you just be like, wow. So it's just like a content bank where you just like deposit and you just expect compound interest. That is how I see YouTube as. And also a lot of full-time YouTubers that you see are not just depending on YouTube ad revenue, just because YouTube ad revenue is just one way of making money. YouTubers are getting brand deals, they are getting money from affiliate marketing, they are getting money from selling their own merch, they are getting money from selling digital products. There are just a lot of ways to make money on YouTube apart from ad revenue. So if you are going to start YouTube only focusing on ad revenue, then you might want to reconsider why you want to start. Also, you also need to pay attention to what your audience like to watch. So check your analytics and be sure. And you guys keep creating. And if you enjoy videos like this, please do not forget to hit the like button. Please, if you don't do anything for me, hit the like button on